today's video, we're going to color her hair, and this will be the third time we've colored it over the summer. Okay, we're back. What we're going to do is JL is in the process of doing her hair in six parts, and so we'll link the videos at the end of the videos of the other two times we colored her hair. And so what we're using is this color here. It's Creme of Nature Light Golden Blonde C42. C42 talks about the level. Oh, these doggone flies. Okay, talks about the level of color, and it does come with a high lift booster. Okay, so it comes with a pair of gloves, the actual hair color.
What is that?
Oh, what is this? Oh, this is conditioner, and the actual developer, and the actual hair color. So it comes with 4 pieces. Now, what we decided to do is get 3 boxes of this. 3. The reason why we got 3 is because it just doesn't cover her hair very well. So we're doing 3 boxes of this. Now, are we going to use all these boosters, Jay?
Yes.
She's going to use all these boosters in it, and we're going to really mix it up. And she's sectioning her hair into 6 sections this time, so that we can really cover her hair this time. So let's get started. You got your so we're gonna put everything in this jar.
It's an old gel jar.
It's an old gel jar. Do you have a brush?
It should be in one of these.
We're just going to use our hands to apply this. So so far we've mixed all the hair color together. You have and this is what it looks like, you guys. Let me tilt it this way so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's what it looks like. We're going to mix that up, and we're going to put this powder in here too. High lift booster. So the last time we were like, oh my god, she really colored her hair this time. But come in the camera, Jay, it really toned down itself after a couple of weeks. It really did tone down, and it started to make the color look more settled. Settled.
I have scissors.
Okay. So I need something to stir it with.
You can use the brush. Yeah.
This right here?
Yes.
Okay. It's really watery, Jay. It's really watery. Okay. All right. So once we put the lightener, it starts to get a little thicker like this, but it's still pretty soupy.
Use all the developers.
Yes, okay. I used all the developers and all the hair color. Okay. So we've mixed everything in here. We're trying to really get it mixed up good. And it does smell strong. Okay. All right. So this will be the last time we're coloring her hair. She's promised me this will be the last time we're coloring it for a while. Typically, I only color my hair once a year. I've already done it twice. But I'm stopping. I'm not coloring anything. If you want to see a video where I've used some temporary color, I'll link one of those below. I mean, not link one of them below. I'll link them toward the end of this video, use a hair color wax. Okay, so we've mixed it up. We're both going to work together on this. So she's going to work, I'm going to work in the back, and she's going to work in the front. Okay, you want to work in the front?
Yeah, I'll
Or
work.
you want me to front? Or you want me to work it through?
Yeah, just do the back, and then I know it's a mistake, but
You want to change your shirt?
yeah, I am. Yeah.
Okay, so she's gonna go change her shirt real quick. So we'll be right back. Okay, side note, you guys, she did not use 3 of the same boxes. So I'm looking at this now. We have a light golden blonde. We have 2 of those, okay? And then we have this lightest blonde. This lightest blonde right here. So this is C43 and the other ones are C42, okay? So just to let you know, they're not all the same color. We mixed them all up together. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to start in the back.
I'll start on this side too.
Okay, and I'm going to work it from the I'm going to do the roots last. So what I'm going to do is do her hair first, down the strands, and then I'll come back and do the roots last, because the roots tend to get light because it's closer to the scalp and there's a lot of heat on the scalp. So we're going to do the roots last. You hear that? Okay. Okay, we're back. And so it's been 25 minutes and JL is doing the step that a lot of people miss when they're using a box color, and that is wetting your hair with some warm water to help get the color all the way through and to activate the color even more. Okay.
So we missed a spot like right here. So I'm trying to get that part, let it just sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna get the other side as well.
Okay,
so I got it pretty good. It's just that one spot right there. It didn't work. So I'm gonna try like squeezing the excess onto the top of my head. Just kind of massaging it in a little bit. Put this back in the
ponytail holder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And she's going to do the same thing to the other side.
It's really warm. That's how you know it's working. If it ain't burning, it ain't working.
We don't burn our hair. We don't burn. No burning. Because we want you to have some hair when we're finished with it.
So my hair sheds a lot already, even when I'm just doing this to it.
It doesn't shed a lot. You don't have a lot of shed hair.
No, not now, but when I wash it, because I haven't washed it in a couple days. So it's going to shed some, just a little. So I have to like foam it up a little bit, lather it, and then let it stay on for like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And then
she'll wash it.
And then I'll wash it out. I'm just trying to get those parts right there that I missed, because apparently it didn't go through.
But other than that, show them like in the middle of your hair. See how we pretty much did get it for the most part through evenly through the hair.
But I'm gonna take this hair part out. So I'm just kind of like dipping it in the water, so I could just like foam up a little bit.
Okay guys, we're back and Jay has finished her hair. She has put it in 2 braids.
Yes.
Okay, so turn around and let's see. We missed some spots. As you can see, we missed one spot right here. It's pretty big right here. But other than that, we got it through. We probably would have done better with that brush, but you still got this. You got deep conditioner in there still.
Yeah, I got.
She's got conditioner.
I got leave-in conditioner.
So she washed her hair, used the deep conditioner that came with the dye, and then she washed, and now she has another conditioner in there. So she's got the conditioner in. Just kind of separate and show us how it colored all the way through. Okay, so her hair has been undone. We still didn't get all the way into the roots all the way, but it'll be fine for now. Her side, she probably did better. No, this is my side.
Yes.
This is my side.
My side.
Okay, so application is key, y'all. That's all I got to say. But we missed some spots, but that's how the color is gonna look on hair that's already been colored. But when it's first colored, it may not go as light as that. It may look more like this color.
You see at the top, that's the new growth. That's what the hair looks like when it's freshly colored. So you see I missed some spots right here.
And you can see the difference in the color of hair that has not been colored yet. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Hair that has not been colored yet versus hair that has been colored. So it's going to lighten it more if your hair is already colored. Okay, this is just a follow-up to our previous video where we showed Jay getting her hair colored. Now, in that video, she had some dark spots right here. So we recently followed up last week. I was wondering how long it was going to take you to do that. And we were following up last week where we came back with that same color and touched up her roots to kind of cover up those dark spots that she had here. So what can you tell what you did? Just a little bit of what you did. What color was that again?
Lightest blonde.
It was the lightest blonde with Creme of Nature, right? Was it Creme of Nature? Okay. So we used the lightest blonde with Creme of Nature, and we touched up her roots only. And so we were able to get some of those dark pieces out, especially in the back and all over. So that is it. That's all we wanted to share with you. And just remember that when you're coloring your hair with that box dye, to make sure that you, especially if it's new growth, you have to treat that new growth too, because it doesn't color at the same rate as previously colored hair does. Okay, so until next time,
Stay wiki.
stay.